So in this one, we're going to go ahead and cover three things. We're going to cover the STK push. We're going to see an overview of the no code and M-Pesa B2C. So like always, let's go ahead and see what you're going to be building in this particular video. Let's get it. So let me go ahead and enter my phone number like so, as well as the amount. So for this first test, I'm gonna cancel this so that you can be able to actually see. So if I click on pay with M-Pesa, I'm going to receive an STK push. So let me just share that right there. So as you can see, let me cancel this. And as you can see, payment failed, cancelled. Now let's go ahead and do this once again. Only this time, we are going to complete the transaction. Same thing. Click on pay, pull up that phone, hide it because I don't trust you with my PIN. And let's go. Done. And boom. In real time, you should be able to see that complete. And that is it. So to get started, here are a few things that you will actually need. Go into Sandbox to get your test credentials so that you can be able to follow along. I will add chapters to the video so that you can skip to whichever parts you need directly. So let's just go ahead right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to clear out all the files that are in the stk.php. So let me go ahead and we have a clean slate. I've only added one file to this and I'll explain why that's the case. Okay, so in here, in the credentials.php page, is the token and the publishable key. Go ahead and copy your credentials and format them like so, and just save this file so that you won't have to actually keep doing this over and over again. You can just use it as a global variable. So yeah, that's it for that. So let's get back to the STK page. Once I've opened up those PHP files, I have to include the credentials. So let's start with that. So that will be under credentials.php. Second, you will need to include the vendor files. Then the class that you need to use is the collection class. So Intasend collection, like so. Then let's craft our function. So we're going to create a function called initiate STK push. So in here, you need the amount as well as the phone number. Like that. Then we'll start by getting our credentials. So use global credentials. Then of course you initiate that. Then you now pass your credentials like so. Then variable credentials. And we go ahead and say variable response. It's gonna be a collection STK push. So no, not exactly that. That should be M-Pesa underscore STK push. Then we also want to get the transaction status. So we are going to need to get the invoice ID. So this is initiating the STK push. Now we need to, let's get the invoice ID. So for the documentation, to do that, let's go ahead and create invoice ID. It's gonna be variable response. Then we get the invoice from, it will be from an object. Then we need the invoice ID. So let's go ahead and also initialize the status variable. So I'm going to initialize status variable. Go ahead and also zoom this in. So first I'm going to set by default the status to be, let me do processing, like that. Then I'm gonna say, let's go ahead and check for the transaction status. So let's do a while the status, sorry, while the status is still on the default processing. Then let's just go ahead and wait for an interval before checking it again. So I'm going to do a delay. Then I'm going to check it by creating a variable called status response. Which will be from the collection. I need to find the status, given that this is the invoice ID, like so. Okay, now that we have that, we can now get the updated status. Which I will do by status response invoice status. No, rather states. Yeah. Then let's return the status. Boom. Okay, let's close that. Okay, beautiful. So at this point, let's go ahead and let's create a form to actually have this. So we're not calling the function yet. So let's just go ahead and go and create this form. So like I said, we'll be using Daisy UI. So first of all, we'll need to get started. So to install this, there are several ways, but for a quick start, we are going to use the CDN. So let's go ahead and copy that. I'm gonna get back here, and then let me just close up the PHP. Then using Emmet, I'm gonna quickly spin up that. I'm gonna call this STK push toots. Also, if you would wish to register for Intasend, I will leave a link down in the description which you can use to go ahead and register. So let's go ahead and no, sorry, just put this before you close your head tags. Then we'll head back to Daisy UI, and then we're gonna go for, I think it's the model. No, it's the hero. So there's several options here, but this is the one. So let's just get that HTML and paste it right here. So first off, I'm gonna get rid of this gone. Then I'm gonna put an image tag where this will be the illustration, and I needed to have a width of like let's do 400. Yeah. So now where we will get this particular illustration from, and draw. So you just head over to the search. Then what I did was just type payment, and I had these several options, but I ended up going with this. So you can download it as an SVG and then add it to the project directory. Also, you can go ahead if you have a specific color palette that you'd like to use on your site. You can go ahead and change it to match whatever UI you are going for. So yeah, I guess in this case we can make it green. Yeah, let's do green, but I want like a neon. Okay, to start somewhere around there. Grab it, download an SVG, and then I'm just gonna drag it in here. Okay, so let me just delete this. Yeah, this one prior, and then we're just going to name this one to be pay.svg. Perfecto. Close that out. Close the preview as well. And now, as you can see from right there, I haven't added that to the path. So pay.svg, refresh, and boom, we have that. So next, what we want to do is we want to now modify this to be a form that actually handles payments. So first off, let's get into the form element itself. So from the form, you can see that it's not actually having any way to handle form submissions. So we're going to use the method to be post to be able to send this data. And then the action is this same page which we're on. Then we're going to change this to the phone number. Okay, the type will be text. And for the placeholder, I'm going to do 254. Yeah, something like that. And then I'm going to give it a name so that I can be able to access this value. And I'm going to give it phone number, like so. Then here I'll change that to amount. The type will be text. Placeholder password, nope. Placeholder, I'm just going to do 10 bob. Then let's get rid of this label altogether. And for this, we're going to change this to a type submit. And then the name, I'm just going to do maybe deposit. Yeah. And then, of course, make payment. Or, yeah, that's okay. That's okay. Yeah. Then what I'm going to do for the aesthetic, I'm going to change the theme to something I like. So right here, I'm going to change this to, yeah, I'm going to use forest. So you just grab this then back in your code, go ahead and change this, and then you can change this. Basically, if I refresh this with this new theme, it will change everything to that, but I need the forest theme. So if I go ahead and refresh, boom, that's much nicer, at least in my opinion. So we're gonna go with that, but you can change it to whichever that you like. So now that we have this, we need now this data to be sent and to be handled. So that is where we now have to create something to handle that data which is being sent. So I'm going to do an if statement here, and we're going to check if that button has been pressed for the make payments. So we're going to say if set variable underscore post, and I'm going to be checking for the deposit button. So that's at least how we named it. Deposit. So now we're checking if that has been clicked. So first we need to get these variables entered by the user. So I'm going to say that the phone number will be, yeah, that is actually accurate. No, it's not. That is. Then we're going to check for the amount, which is going to be that. Yeah. Then we're now going to call, we're going to initiate that particular function. So I'm going to say variable status will be, okay, if anyone is wondering, this is GitHub Copilot. That's why there could be these auto suggestions popping up. So once we have initiated that, I would like to get this on the URL. So I'm going to do a redirect here. Which is not really necessary because we're still in the same page technically, but if you wanted to make this cleaner, then I'm just showing how you can implement this to get you back to the page where you actually need this data. So we're going to do status will be variable status. Perfect. Then let's exit. Yeah. Okay. So we can handle this data, but yeah. So we can even test this at this point, but we will not have the processing to display the transaction status on the UI. But we can go ahead and test this to make sure we're actually on the right track here. Okay. Then of course I'm gonna do that. Make payment. And you see, undefined array key amount. Okay, so let's just go ahead and look at that. So what did we name it? Here. Input type text placeholder, and we didn't create it. So name is gonna be amount. Okay, refresh. Try that again. Make payment. No errors. So okay, and we get the STK push. But you see, if I cancel this, I will not be able to get it. I will not be able to get it. But in the URL, this should be the case. We should have this in the URL. So localhost 3000. Okay, not just localhost 3000. localhost 3000 /stk.php. If we go ahead and initiate, cancel. Okay. We should have this in the actual URL. So that's okay. So that means we can now capture this and actually display it to the user, which is what we want. So let's go ahead and set that up. Let's go ahead and set that up. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into right here. Then what I'm gonna do, I'll create a span tag. Then in here, I'll open up my PHP tags. XO. Then I'm gonna check for this particular status in the URL. So I'm gonna do an if statement, and I'm gonna check if this has been set. Then, of course, I need the get status. Then, if that is true, then get that status in a variable. Then within here, I'm gonna nest another if and do if the status is actually complete. Then I'm gonna set the variable for the class. Just class. To be an alert success, which is the green alert success. So this is a Tailwind class, which will give you that desired effect. Then I'm gonna do the message to be payment successful. Yeah. Then we're gonna do an else if. So that is correct, except I'm checking if it is failed. Then let's just copy this. So instead of alert success, I need it to be error. And payment failed or payment cancelled. Okay. And we're not done. So we also need a default here. Which also, let me copy that. Then I'm gonna put the warning, which will be yellow, and this will be payments pending. Yeah. So let me go ahead. I'm gonna remove this closing tag. Bear with me. I know we'll get an error, but then within this, I'm gonna create a div to hold the alert. So this will be a div, and I'm gonna give it a class of alert. Yeah, exactly that. We're gonna echo the class name directly from that. Then without closing this, we'll also need some of these classes. So shadow large. Then I'm gonna give it a max width to be small. I'm gonna also give it an ID. status. That will come in handy later on. And then I can impose minor styles here. So I'm going to give it some extra styling. Sorry. I'm going to give it a width of, I'll say 400 pixels. Then just add that flag. Yeah. Then in here, let's also create another div which will have the SVG. Or we can just let's not even include the SVG. Then I'm gonna give a span tag here, and then we're gonna open up some some PHP tags to store the message. Then right under this div, this is where we will do some PHP and then close out that. Perfect. So once again, an STK push, entered, completed. So M-Pesa doesn't want a similar transaction. So let's go ahead. And then sneakily, we're just gonna say 11 and it should go through. So once again, another push, put in that, okay, honest and for you. Boom, payment successful. So of course, the source code will always be down in the description, as well as the link to sign up to Intasend. So go ahead and click. And if you have watched this far and you have not given me a like and subscribe, go ahead and do so. It's completely free and it helps out the channel a great deal.